Box component in the material A. So box is a component that used to variety of layout and styling needed. It's essential represent for a basic div tag element in the HTML, but it comes with a powerful and built-in styling responsive feature. It's act as a wrapper or container for the content. So it support the props, SX props for the inline styling, using the component as a prop to allow the you can change the box component into the HTML element. So here render as a box, as a section, header or articles. Anyhow, we can change our box component into in different HTML tag also. I have created a one file with a box component.js file. So this is a functional component. This file just here in this file I want to use the box component, but that box component we need to import from the material way. So what are the component required? Box component from the material way. Here this is a function component. Let's use the box as like this is a box component. This component I want to render inside the app.js. Just import the component. So import, what are the component name is our component, the box component. This component I want to render below the h1 tag. Okay, so now I need to write some code inside the box component. Here this is the box component. So now it's display on the screen, and now let's apply the some CSS to the box component. So what which property? SX is a property. Use this property will apply some CSS to some box. I applied some CSS with 200 height to 200. The background color red. We can change it to some other color also. If you want to use the blue color, is apply the blue color, and apply the color property. So white. So it's apply the color to the, and now another one is hover property. If you mouse over on that, this box is changed to green. This is a box is changed to green now. And so border radius we apply 30. So now width and height is 200. If you give the border radius is 100, it's become a circle. Okay, so now the box, as this is access property, based on the access property we'll apply some inline CSS also. If I right click on and right click on the here and inspect, now if you go to this element, now we can see mouse over on this, it's act as a div tag. You can see it's act as a div tag here. So based on the, there is other property called a component. So in this component we can change it to our box component with two different, see now it changed it to the box component section. The box component is changed to section now. See, based on this is a component property to convert this box into different HTML tag. So using the access property we'll apply some CSS to the box component.